Question: a 220 volts 50 kilowatt 1000 rpm shunt motor with armature resistance of 0.25 ohm has a rated line current of 68 amperes and a rated field current of 2.2 amperes. The change in field flux required to obtain a speed of 1600 rpm while drawing a line current of 52.8 ampere and a field current of 1.8 ampere is. Options are A. 18.18% increase, B. 18.18% decrease, C. 36.36% increase, D. 36.36% decrease. Solution: given data: DC shunt motor, rating of the motor 220 volts 5 kilowatt 1000 rpm. This is DC voltage V as 220 volts. RA and EB. RA is armature resistance given as 0.25 ohms. Current drawing at rated speed equals to 68 amperes and the rated field current is 2.2 amperes. Then the armature current IA equals to 65.8 amperes. Let us denote all rated values with suffix 1. Then N1 equals to 1000 rpm, I1 equals to 68 ampere, IF1 equals to 2.2 amperes, IA1 equals to 65.8 amperes. By applying KVL to this loop, V equals to EB1 plus IA1 into RA. From this, EB1 equals to V minus IA1 into RA. V is 220 volts, IA1 is 65.8 amperes into RA is 0.25 ohms. Therefore, EB1 equals to 203.55 volts. When speed is increased to 1600 rpm and current drawing is decreased to 52.8 ampere and field current decreased to 1.8 ampere. The armature current in this case equals to 52.8 ampere minus 1.8 ampere equals to 51 ampere. In second case, V is as 220 volts. Current drawing is 52.8 ampere and the field current is 1.8 ampere. So the armature current IA2 equals to 51 ampere. RA is 0.25 ohm. EB2. The same way, by applying KVL to this loop, we get V equals to EB2 plus IA2 into RA. EB2 equals to V minus IA2 into RA. V is 220 volts minus 51 into 1025. This is equals to 207.25 volts. We know that speed of DC shunt motor is directly proportional to back EMF and inversely proportional to flux. Therefore, N1 by N2 equals to EB1 by EB2 into phi2 by phi1. We know N1 as 1000 RPM by 1600 RPM equals to 203.55 volts by 207.25 into phi2 by phi1. From this, phi2 by phi1 equals to 10 into 207.25 divided by 16 into 203.55. This is equals to 0.6363. Therefore, phi2 equals to 0.6363 into phi1. From this, it is evident that flux should be decreased. Percentage decrease equals to phi1 minus phi2 by phi1 into 100. This is equals to 1 minus phi2 by phi1 into 100. 1 minus 0.6363 into 100. This is equals to 36.36%. So, the change in field flux required is option D, 36.36% decrease.